Different species have different ways of enduring winter weather, and many rhododendrons have a curious strategy which at first glance might look a bit alarming. It's been well below 20 degrees this week, and the leaves on this rhododendron have been flagging and drooping down. Not only that, but they've also rolled up into a tube. And you may think that this plant is in serious trouble, but if you take a closer look, you'll notice that the leaves are not dried up and dead. They're actually quite green. They're verdant, pliable, and very much alive. And the fact of the matter is this behavior is a survival mechanism called thermonasty. And thermonasty is when a plant or a plant part moves as a response to temperature change. And there's been a lot of speculation around this behavior and why it has been so effective for rhododendrons. Some say that when the leaves change to this position, it reduces the load of snow or ice. Others say that this keeps the leaves from desiccating or drying out. And others say that the curling of the leaves has everything to do with photosynthesis. Rhododendrons are an understory plant, and now that the deciduous overstory is bare and the winter sun is lower in the sky, sneaking in beneath the branches of the larger trees, this plant is receiving more sunlight than it needs right now, especially since this isn't the season for growing or photosynthesizing. The leaves may be curling up to, in a way, decline or avoid or at least limit photosynthesis. It's a fascinating discussion, but what we know from a plant healthcare perspective is that there are very effective ways that you can supplement this strategy and help your rhododendron to navigate winter weather. First, water in the fall, especially if you're noticing signs of drought stress. Sending your rhododendron into dormancy properly irrigated will help immensely, and that goes for all your broadleaf evergreens. Second, give them mulch. It will not only help retain moisture, but it will also help to insulate a rhododendron's shallow root system, as will a layer of snow. So do not remove the snow from the base of your rhododendron, or any plant for that matter. The snow actually helps to insulate, and come fall, it'll provide the roots with some much needed moisture. But rhododendrons are a great landscape plant as long as the climate isn't too hot. Just make sure that in the fall, when the seasons start to change, that you're giving them the care that they need to help them get through the cold winter weather.